Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lee Monster still here, and I'm super excited to share this training with you guys here today. If you stumbled across my Traveling Beast YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe today, guys, and get updates for tons and tons of valuable videos that will be released, such as the one I'm going to share with you today, how to utilize Fiverr and ChatGPT to create a passive income. All right. So if you guys don't know me, again, my name is Jermaine Lee Monster still here. We are deemed the traveling beast because we have traveled several times across the United States to 17 different states, 65, 75 days at a time in our RV, as well as traveling to various different countries and states across the United States. So as you can see here, this is Hawaii, and I'm going to get straight into the training, but I like people to know who they're listening to. So you can head over to facebook.com/Jermaine Steele. Check out my profile, guys, right? Every single day I post on here, even if it's just to say good morning, all right? And also today, what I want to share with you guys is I've got a Fiverr account that I'm not only going to show you guys how to, utilize ChatGPT. For those that don't know what ChatGPT is a artificial intelligence software that will write, blog posts, emails, so on and so forth for you, okay? So I got this bright idea just a few days back, and as you can see, I created a gig for writing emails, all right, for people's businesses. So what we're going to do first, for those that don't know what Fiverr is, the first step, guys, you're going to want to do, and you can kind of follow my lead here. I'm just going to put this into notes.io. First step is to sign up for Fiverr, all right, and you can sign up through my link. Let's keep it in the family. Yes, I do get a commission when you sign up. That's kind of like my, through my link, kind of like my reward for training you guys here today and giving you guys some free value, right? Because I'm not charging you for this training. And again, this is something that I likely won't release until, into the future. We've been testing it. I've got quite a few people who are already utilizing this strategy. As you can see here, I'm going to show you how to set up a gig, not just tell you how to walk through it, all right? So first and foremost, sign up for Fiverr and then sign up for ChatGPT. There is no link for that. You can just Google ChatGPT and you can sign up. And with those two things, you have everything you need. All right. So, but make sure you follow me, on FB if you're not already, and YouTube. And the last thing I want to share with you guys today is an opportunity to make, opportunity to make from $400 to $1,200 per month. All right, just referring other people to a simple app called Acorn. That's the last thing I'm going to show you. So a lot of you guys that follow me probably already have Acorn, and that's fine. Okay, if you do not have Acorn, wait to the end of this video. All right, after we get to the ChatGPT and the Fiverr training, and I'm going to walk you guys through Acorn. Okay, so let's jump straight in. Gigs, guys. Let's go to Fiverr from a buyer's perspective. So there's a lot of people that come online, and what I want to do is I want to switch over to buying. Okay, and as you guys can see, if you type in, let's do like blog post. A lot of people will come here for blog posts. Now, the one thing you have to realize is that ChatGPT is well known, so a lot of people are starting to utilize this in their own businesses. But there's a lot of people out there that are running brick and mortar businesses every single day that don't understand how to utilize these tools. So you could simply look at the top sellers here. It says Fiverr's Choice, right? These are just people that have been selling for a long time that have a lot of feedback. And you can look at the different gigs, as they call them, that they're offering. All right. So I will write 1,500 words, SEO articles, and blog posts for you. So you see this guy's got 455 times 10, right? What is that? 45 times 10 is 450. That's about $5,000 and that's just the people that have left reviews, right? So imagine how many, gigs this guy has gotten, I should say, just by posting, I will write 1,500 words SEO articles for you. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on their gig, right? To kind of give you an idea, because some people say, I don't know what to put. I don't know what to, how to create the gig. So as you can see here, you could basically go through his gig and create something similar. So we're going to do that. We're going to jump straight in. We're going to click on create a new gig. And we're just gonna just keep this very similar. I will, let's see. So he says write 1,500 words, right? You can just look at the top. I will write. So I'll say I will write 1,500. 1,500 words for your business. Let's see what he says, right? For your business in a blog post format or email. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're also going to look at his categories. So you can see writing and translations, articles and blog posts. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do writing and translations, and we're going to do articles and blog posts. Next thing we're going to do is we're only going to write in English personally. So obviously if you write in many different other languages, then you have a advantage, right? So as you can see here, we're going to kind of just take a look at his topic. So retail and e-commerce, and then general. So we got retail and e-commerce. And the reason he probably chose that is because a lot of different people, and they'll pick general, a lot of different people will utilize the Fiverr gigs for their e-commerce gigs. And I know because I've done it in the past, right? Now, as you can see, if you look here, bulk Easter egg toys, right? There's a couple of things that I've used this personally for. My fiance and my son has also used it. But anyhow, professional format, and we're going to say opinionated. All right, this doesn't take any time at all, okay? And article type is going to say long form article, research, and affiliate marketing. So long form, research, affiliate marketing, that part's done, right? Positive keywords are going to be blog post, and I believe you can pick up to 5. And we're going to say email. Let's see, email. Let's see this article pop up. So we'll say emails. Now let's do blog. Let's see, auto blog. We'll say writing. So we'll do academic writing because a lot of people are going to look for possibly a homework assignment, things of that nature. Blog writing. We're going to say writing again, and we're going to do content writing. Okay. So now that's it. We got through this in about, I don't know, look at my timer down here on my computer, probably about 2 minutes. All right. So these are things that a lot of people don't realize. I said, Jermaine, do you still do, Teespring? Jermaine, do you still do Fiverr? Jermaine, do you still do, all these different things, guys? The fact of the matter is we do. And you want to create things that are going to be very passive for you. So as I'm training you with this, it's likely that a gig will pop up. My son or myself will spend a little bit of time. We'll call this advanced, writing out, not writing, right? But using ChatGPT, and I'll show you how to utilize that just a minute. Okay. So we will write 1,500 words blog, or 1,500 word blog post for your e-commerce. We'll say your e-commerce. All right. Let's see, e-commerce or basic business needs, right? So we're gonna take the same thing. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna put that over into both of these sections. We're just gonna change the word to, or we're gonna change the word count to 2,500, and we're gonna do 3,500, right? And we're gonna change the name from basic to advanced. All right, and then we're gonna change it to or ultimate business needs. So all you're doing is just naming the package, right? Ultimate business needs. And then delivery time, we're going to do a 3 days delivery on that. We're going to do a 3 days delivery here. If they want faster delivery, you can charge them down below. So words included, we're going to say 1,500. Words here, we're going to say 2,500. And words here, we're going to do 3,500. All right. So we're going to do 0 revisions here. We're going to do 1 revision here. We're going to do 2 revisions here. So you can see I'm just kind of layering the services, right? So topic research, we're gonna include that. We're gonna include these 3 things, and then these 4. These 4 things here, and all that is citations, where you got the information from. You probably might not want to include that, so we'll layer this way. So we'll do topic research and keywords on all of them. and then the SEO keyword research, which is very simple to do. I can show how to do in another video. And you can even uncheck that if you want and kind of just keep everything the same. But the only thing that's different would be the revisions and then the pricing, right? So we'll say $10 on this one. We'll say 15 on this one. And then we'll say 25 on this one, right? So let's see. So total price, basic, I will charge, let's say $5 for an additional, 500 words because you're still charging less than your next gig up. And you can put in whatever you want, guys, right? So the only reason that we're not charging an arm and a leg for this is because you're going to see how simple it is to write an article, on the next page. So basic, I'll deliver in only 1 day for an additional $10, and then in 1 day for an additional $10, and then in 1 day for an additional $10. So basically all the packages you're going to deliver for an additional $10, right? In 1 day, okay? You don't need additional revisions. You don't need references and citations. We're going to save and continue. And then let's see what we're doing. We don't need additional revisions, so we're going to uncheck that. We're going to save and continue. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to write out a description. So we're going to say, I will write for you any blog posts, articles, and or emails to your email subscribers. And you know what we could really do here? And you could do this as well. I give you permission, right? It's okay. Is you could actually go ahead and just copy, let's see, the gig that, let's see, so we're here. Let's find the gig that I had set up for you guys. Let's see. And you could basically just copy. Let's see, so we're going to go to selling, right? And then we're going to go to gigs. Let's see, let's go to dashboard. Oh, we're already there. All right, so we're going to go to my business. We're going to go to gigs, all right? And then what we're going to do is click on this, and we are going to click on the actual gig itself. What I'm looking to do, guys, is just go ahead and copy in. I think I'm going to have to edit it or go back to the buying view. There we go. So we'll go to edit. And I'm looking to simply copy the description from this gig. And again, you guys can do the same thing. Let's see. So pricing, gig title. All right. So let's save and preview it. Taking a little bit longer than I thought. There we go. So about this gig. So you're going to basically just copy and paste this in here. And you can get creative, right? You can layer in the things that you want to do for them. You can, get extra creative in how you want to, format this. But for time's sake, right, and under about, 15 minutes, I was able to show you guys a way to, we're going to save and continue. That's basically it. A way to create income passively. So you could create 5, 6, 10 of these gigs, right? And the only other thing you want is the questions for them, right? Is this for personal use? Which industry do you work in? What are you looking to achieve with this order? What is your desired format? And any special instructions. All right, so you can keep it very, very simple, or you can get into, adding a bunch more different questions and things of that nature. But what I'm going to do is save and continue for time's sake. And again, in under about 15 minutes, you've learned how to create an income stream, right? That will allow you to passively make money. All right, so you can go ahead and get a bunch of from Google. You can get a bunch of blog post images. So we'll just say like blog post, and you can take those images where you can get really creative. You can start creating a video for your own gig, right? You can drop a video in there. Hey, what's going on? Jermaine here. As you can see, me personally, right? And that kind of gives them the know, like, and trust factor, right? And you can take like something like this. and save the image. Just say like blog, post, whatever. And then go back. And then again, you're going to upload as many images as you can. The more images, the better, right? But for time's sake, again, we've done this under in about 15 minutes. I got about another 5 minutes with you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've gotten the value that you came here for. Now, obviously, cover grammar and sentence structure fundamentals. You're going to take that test. Super simple. I've actually already done this, so not sure why, it's popping up again. But basically, you'll start this test. It says it's going to take 40 minutes. Once you get through that, the basic skills test, right, you'll be able to publish in writing. And I think that the only reason that it popped up again is because we had to re-verify this Fiverr account not too long ago, something like that, right? So again, there are categories that won't have you take this basics, English skills test, all right? And you're gonna publish that. Once you get your first, let's just say somebody wants something for their restaurant business, you're gonna say 500 words, right? Let's just say they want it about their sandwich shop in Pismo Beach called Sando's. It's an actual sandwich shop, all right? So Sando's sandwich shop. And I'm gonna go into how you can use ChatGPT for local businesses as well in the future. In Pismo, we're gonna say great food, and you're just gonna give it characteristics. We're gonna say great food. We're gonna say custom sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches. I don't even know if I'm spelling sandwiches right, but it'll definitely correct it for me. All right, so breakfast sandwiches and right off of the beach of Pismo, right? And it's literally gonna, as you see, I'm gonna hit enter. And it's gonna, must visit destination. This place is really delicious. Customizable sandwiches are a perfect meal for any type of the day. So, point is, if it's 1,500 words, you would just type in 1,500 words. You can get very creative in, how you do this. And again, very simple way. Sign up for Fiverr, sign up for ChatGPT, create your gigs, take your English test, follow me on YouTube and Facebook if you got some value. And the last thing I want you guys to do is check out Acorn. All right, this is a way where just this last week I've been paid twice for 3 people signing up. That's $850. This week they're paying, $425. So every 3 people you get, I got 6. It's $850 passively, right? If you understand how to use pay-per-click ads, things of that nature, right? So sign up through my link in this video. I'm going to leave my Acorn link in this video. By doing so, send me an email or comment on this video that you signed up through my link. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to you personally and send you an email that's going to give you 3 tips on how to promote Acorn. All right, so comment below if you guys got some value. Share this video. Invite people to the group wherever you're seeing this. Jermaine Lee Monster still here. Hope you got some amazing value. Peace.